Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to import opening balance in Zoho. It's very easy thing to do. In Zoho Books, the opening balance represents the starting financial position of a business at the beginning of a new accounting period or when migrating from another accounting software. It essentially carries forward the closing balance from the previous period, ensuring continuity in financial records. So how you can import opening balance in Zoho? First open Zoho, then from the very first page go to settings from the top right, then from the settings option select opening balances, then here you will see an option import opening balances. Just click on it, then choose the file and upload it, and that's it. That's how you can import opening balance in Zoho. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, subscribe for more Zoho tips.